Hi children, how are you? Today we are discuss about one more lesson. What that is that one? Safety. What is that one? Safety. Okay children, when you are playing in the playground, at the time some persons are fell on the ground. What is the reason? Sometimes when you are go to playground at the time you are going into steps, at the time some are pushing, some are may fell on the steps. What is the reason why they are fell on the ground? You know children? Yeah, what is that reason means? We those are not follow the some safety rules. Whenever you go, or playground or bus or road or whatever may be, whenever you go, you must follow the some safety rules. At home also we must follow the some safety rules. So those safety rules are helpful to us avoid the accidents, injuries, okay, some risks. Okay children, so okay, what is the safety? What is the safety? So listen, safety means keeping away from harmful situations, risks and danger. That is called safety. Once again children, safety means keeping away from harmful situations, risk and danger. That is called safety. That is called safety. Okay children, so if you should follow the safety rules, you can avoid the accidents, injuries, like that. So what are the safety rules? We must follow the some safety rules so many places. So first we learn about the safety rules at home. Safety rules at home. So what safety rules are followed in the home? You know children? So listen. So handle sharp objects carefully. Handle sharp objects carefully. So sharp objects means scissors, knives. So in our home so many sharp objects is there. Scissors, knives, chalks. So those are there. So when you are handle those things, at the time be careful. Why? Because if you not properly utilize these things, we may get injured. That's why. So that's why when you can handle these objects, be careful. Be careful. Next one, do not leave your toys and shoes laying around on the floor. Sometimes when you are Sunday season means holidays time, you are playing with your friends or brothers or neighbors. Okay, at the time you can play with your toys. So when you after playing, you are leave it, you can go and outside or wherever you can go, you leave it there. If you leave, that means if anyone put on their leg on the toys, they may hurt, they can fall on the ground. That's why, so do not leave your toys after playing. After completion of the playing, you gather those all things and keep on particular play area. Okay, don't leave on the floor. So that is the second one. Don't leave your toys and shoes also laying around on the floor. That is the next one. Don't play with electrical appliances. Electrical appliances means some boards, switch boards is there. In our home so many switch boards is there, plugs is there. Don't play with these electrical appliances. Why? Because this is the very useful. Electricity is very utilized for us, very useful to us, but it is too dangerous. It is too dangerous. Okay children, that's why if you don't touch the electrical appliances. Okay, some persons are taking the some knives, pencils, they are put in the blackboards like that. So at the time you may get shock, you may get shock. That's why don't keep some things, means nails, pencils, like the pencils. So this type of sharp objects don't put in the blackboards, don't put in the blackboards. So why? Because you may get shock. At the same time, so don't touch the switches with wet hands, with wet hands. Don't touch plugs or electrical appliance, anything. Why? Because we may get shock. Okay children, so that is the third one. Next, don't play with matchsticks. Don't play with matchsticks. Some persons in our home, some matchsticks is there. Next, gas lighters is there. Okay children, don't play with those things. Why? Because we may, so ourselves, we hurt ourselves. That is the big problem. Sometimes we burn our skin or our friends. So that's why don't play with matchsticks. Next one, don't hide in cupboards. Don't hide in cupboards. So what is the reason? So when you are playing in the home, in your home, at the time sometimes you are hide in the cupboards. You hide in the cupboards and bureaus like that, means so you can if anyone put the handles, door handles, if you lock that one, means you are suffocated. At that time you can feel so many problems. So that is the big problem. That's why don't hide in the cupboard. Don't hide in the cupboard. Next one, never cover your face with bags. So polythene bags or whatever may be. So don't cover your face with the bags. Okay, why? Because you can suffocated. You can suffocated. That's why. So you don't cover your face with the bags. Next one, children, take medicines only in the presence of an adult. If you take any medicine, so in your home, your grandfather, mother, father, mother is there, they are using some tablets or medicines. Okay, don't take those things. Okay children, so at the same time, if you fall in the illness, at that time also you can also use the some medicine, but don't take medicine yourself. Okay, in the presence of the adult, means your father or mother or grandfather, grandmother presence only you can take the medicine. You can take the medicine, otherwise you don't take the medicine. Okay children, so these are the safety rules at a home. Okay children, you got it? So these are the safety rules at home. You must follow these things at home. Next one. Hi children, so now we discuss about safety rules in the classroom. Safety rules in the classroom. So what safety rules, what are the safety rules we follow in the classroom? So when you are entering into the classroom, some persons are naughty guys, maybe mainly naughty guys, those are playing in the classroom. They are climbing the desks, windows, cupboards, like that they are behaving. So that's why, so do not run around the classroom. So why? Because in the classroom so many benches is there, those are made up of wooden, those are wood, made up of wood. Okay children, so that's why when you are running around the classroom, so if you fell on the ground or the benches, you may hurt. That's why don't run, do not run in your classroom. Okay, next one, do not fight with your classmates. Some are They are fighting each other. Some are groups. So that is the too dangerous. So not only you, your friends also may hurt. That's why don't fight each other in the classroom. Okay, don't run around the classroom. Don't climb on the cupboards. Next, benches, windows. So if you fell on the ground means you may hurt herself. So that's why don't climb on the benches, windows, the cupboards like that. Next one, don't put pointed objects like pencil. So if you observe the pencil, it can very sharp. Pen, pencil, these are the very sharp objects. Don't put like in the nose, ears, mouth. You may get hurt. That's why don't put pointed objects like pencil in your ear, nose and mouth. So some persons are poke their friends with help of sharp objects like pencil, pen, scales. Those are very sharp. Don't poke with your friends. Okay children, that is also be careful. It is very dangerous to your friends. Next, do not throw the things around. Some are throwing their books, next pencil, eraser, next wastage, everything threw in the classroom. Very dirty. If you see the classroom, very dirty. Why? Because if anything waste things is there means they can keep in the dustbin. So every classroom one dustbin is there. You keep your waste material. What are the produce in your classroom? Or waste of the pencil. When you sharp the pencil, at that time some wastage is there. So though that one keep in your dustbin, not in your classroom. So some persons are throwing away. Some persons when they are eating food, that one also spill on the floor. That is also bad habit. Next, when you eat the banana, after eating the banana, so what the remaining peel of the banana you can throw it. If you throw on the floor means some your friends may fell on the ground, may they sleep, they can sleep. So that's why don't throw the food materials or peels or whatever may be. So that total wastage you keep in a dustbin only. Keep in a dustbin. Okay children. So you must follow these rules in the classroom. Next one, do not spill water. So some are spill the water after drinking. When they are drinking the water, at the time they are spilling the water. Don't spill the water. So why? Because they may sleep. Next, whenever you go to the playground, you must follow the queue line. Don't push others. Don't push others. When you go down, you must follow these rules. Whenever you go to the bathrooms, washrooms, whenever you go to the washrooms, there also you must follow the some safety rules. Don't push others. You can maintain some distance, social distance. It is very, very important to you. Okay children. So don't run in the corridors. In the break time, some are running. Don't run on the corridors. You may slip. So that's why you must follow these rules. You avoid the some injuries or accidents or whatever may be. So you must follow these rules. What are the rules? Do not run around the classrooms. Do not fight with your classmates. Do not put pointed objects like pencil in your ear, nose and mouth. Okay. Do not throw the things around in the classroom. Next one, do not spill water or through the food items such as banana peel like that. Okay children, you must follow these all rules in the classroom. Okay, next one, so we must follow the next playground. In the playground also we must follow some rules. So when we are playing, at the time also we must follow some rules. What are the rules? Don't push each other. Don't push each other in the playground. Next, so you follow the rules of the games. You must follow the, every game have the some particular rules. So according to rules only you can play. You don't cross the rules of the game. Okay children, so next one, don't fight each other in the playground. Okay, so these are the rules you must follow the playground. You must follow those rules. Okay children, so in the playground when you are playing, you must follow the some rules. What are the rules children? Once again, so don't push each other. Okay, you must follow the game rules. Don't cross the game rules. You must follow the game rules. Next one, don't fight each other in the playground, and don't hit your sports equipment to any other person with bat or whatever ball. Don't hit any other person. So you must follow these rules. Next one, when swimming pool, safety rules in the swimming pool. For example, if you go to the swimming pool, before the swimming, so don't go with your friends, only with your parents. With your parents only, means adult person only you can go. Don't go with your friends. That is the first thing. Second one, so you must follow the some instructions are posted around the swimming pool. There also some instructions is posted around the swimming pool. You must follow those instructions. Okay children, next one, when you are learn the swimming, only swallowing water only, shallow water in the swimming pool only. So you must follow these instructions at the swimming pool. Okay children, some more safety rules is there, means safety rules on the road and first aid. These two topics are learn next class. Okay children, thank you to all.